This is how we make a 1-inch magnet. We start with the 1-inch machine and the following parts: shells, graphics, mylar, collet, magnet. So we'll start with the pickup die facing us. We'll put the shell into the pickup die, smooth side up. Graphic goes on top of the shell. Mylar goes on top of the graphic. Rotate the die table around. Insert the collet into the crimp die, sharp side up. Pull the handle all the way down. Lift the handle back up. Rotate the die table around. Pull the handle down a second time. Remove the button from the machine. Remove the paper backing from the magnet. And insert the magnet into the back of the button.
That's it. Thank you for watching. Please visit us at www.buttonmakers.net for more tips, tricks, and crafty ideas. See you there.